First you will put down the charger plate. Align it with the edge of the table. The charger plate is used on the table for decoration. The dinner plate is placed on top of the charger plate. In restaurants that don't use the charger plate, the dinner plate is the first plate of the arrangement. Now put the table knife on the table on the right side of the charger plate with the cutting blade facing in. Then put the table fork on the left side of the charger plate. Put the fish knife beside the dinner knife. On the left side of the table fork, put the fish fork. The soup spoon should be placed directly next to the fish knife. The handle of the spoon should be aligned with the handle of the fish knife. The salad fork should be placed to the left of the fish fork, and the salad knife should be placed to the right of the fish knife. If there is a snail or oyster in the menu as an appetizer, put the cocktail fork at the right side of salad knife. This is the only fork which to be set up at the right side always. Put the bread plate on the left side of the dinner plate at 11 o'clock. On top of the bread plate, put the bread or butter knife. Put the dessert knife on the far side, in front of the dinner plate, aligned with the long side. The handle should be turned to the right side, and the sharp side of the blade should be turned towards the plate. Above the knife, put the dessert fork with the handle on the left side. Then put down the dessert spoon with the handle on the right side, aligned with the dessert knife. The glasses should be carried on a tray every time by type. Pick them up by their base so you don't dirty them. First, place the water glass next to the dessert knife. Next, place the red wine glass above the dinner knife. The white wine glass should be placed to the right of the red wine glass, creating a curve. After comes the champagne flute. Cognac snifter. The liqueur glass should be placed to the right of the champagne flute. Place a folded napkin in a glass or on top of the plate. Put the flower vase on one side or in the center. The salt and pepper shakers, and the table number. The candlestick should always be placed in the middle of the table. And this is one of the ways you set a formal table. The placement of utensils depends on the restaurant's menu. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more hospitality tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and share with your friends and others.